Let's face it, if you're here watching this video right now, you're sick and tired of your ads conversion, website conversion. I was in your shoes not long ago, but I discovered a product that changed everything for me. Please, watch the following video and then thank me after that.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a very interesting video on the power lead system, and pretty much just rambling while I go through the system and why I got started with the power lead system. I'm very new. This is literally my second official day in the company, but I'm familiar with systems, so it's not really hard for me to maneuver. But the crazy thing is, I've joined power lead system back in the day when I didn't know pretty much about systems and really understand what this thing has to offer. You know, you have your online sales pros, which I'm actually a member of, so I know about that. You know, very simple, very basic. Then you have, you know, your with lead conversion pros, different things like this. The price it costs to get this system and the upgrades in the back office makes this thing really a no-brainer, you know, for someone really coming in, especially a newbie. And I'm pretty much gonna see this and display this as someone coming in as a newbie to show you what's going on in the power lead system. I'm trying to not make this video so long, but pretty much this is a very great page to start off. I pretty much just put together a capture page, link to my sales page, not a full funnel, but the capture pages within the system are, you know, outrageous. Just let's click on the one I just created. You see this is actually something I'm going to touch, but you see this, and it's something that I've never clicked on anyone's capture page and has seen a setup like this. You know, it's very simple. Let me think about it. You can live the lifestyle you want. Yeah. But I think I would want to live the lifestyle I want. You know, very simple, not salesy, not really sure what's on the other side, but let's check it out. Okay, I forgot to. And this is also cool. Right there you've seen a verification, and here's also a verification that you could turn on or off to make sure bots are not going through your system. And depending on, you know, where the person clicks on your capture page, Facebook, etc., there's actual ad tracking in the back office that's going to help you verify your traffic. It's a lot of things in this system. Alright, so I've already came through here. This is another cool thing. I already came through here, you know, so I'm already in my email campaign. So it's going to say, hey, you've already pretty much put your email through this campaign. Do you want to continue, or do you want to just go through the tour? So I'm going to actually go through as if I'm a newbie, and it's going to go to my Newbies on Fire capture page. See, this is just a capture page. You know, right to the offer. You know, you can do different sales funnels, but this is amazing. You know, just that simple thing alone. So now let's get a little bit more deep into the power lead system. Mainly, I'm going to talk about the actual capture pages, sales pages, creation, etc., etc. So everything's really turnkey. You have the old menu and you have the new menu. So let's just look at it from an old menu. It's very simple. As you see, there's a get started button. It's pretty much going to link you to everything, different funnels, take you on a tour of the system. You know, everything's really turnkey. You can add the companies you promote. Look, everything's turnkey. List and list and list of companies, which will show you, you know, the reason for that, how to get help. And right here, eventually, like I said, I'm very new, so I was still going through the system. Eventually, you're going to want all these green, and these are the other upgraded products within the system to make a passive income. So right now, let's just go through this as a newbie. You can actually get a domain. I'm not sure if anyone knows about a domain. Say you're someone that doesn't know about a domain name, but domain name is simply your www.john.com, www.getmoney.com, www. Usually you'll have to outsource, go to GoDaddy, Namecheap, and plug everything into play. For someone that's new, that might get annoying. So literally, you can just literally come in here, think of a domain name, no more jobs. Everything has to be together. And then right here, you can either have a .com, a .net, or a .org. And it's going to click, is this domain available? It's taken. That's common. Let's just do something that I know it shouldn't be taken. Dang, everything's taken. Think of something. All right, this is not taken. So what's going to happen is you're going to come in here, verify everything, and tell you it could take up to 45 hours for your domain to be active. And right there and then, you have a domain name, personalized, and there you go. You already turnkey. You didn't have to go outsource. You didn't have to go outside to figure something out. And from there, this is where you're able to link the capture pages and etc. that you create. So let's go in here and okay, for time, I know what to do. Okay, so we're going to come over to training. Some of these are the upgraded trainings. Endless Free Leads is free. It's a whole $400 course on how to promote on Facebook, LinkedIn, create your pages. Really some in-depth training. And also, Roadmap to Riches is going to show you, walk through the system, how this was created, how it was created back in 1996, in a whole PDF of a whole bunch of information you want to go through. You want to go through this first. I'll say go through where I'm going to go next, and then go to Endless Free Leads. If after all this training that you're going to get bonus training, and you still like, hey, I need to figure things out. So we're going to go to Power VIP, and this is where we're going to go to get some share codes to make things a little more simple for a newbie. But for someone that knows how to create, capture pages, etc., this is going to be for you. But for time's sakes, we're going to come up in here, and you're going to not see this. You're going to see a logged out version, and all you're going to do is create an account. And this is another resource for you where you can get more training, all types of training, etc. But we're going to come down here and go to share codes. This system is crazy. So right here, you already have high converting capture pages. As you see, that's where I got this one. High converting capture pages. All types. Mobile friendly. All types. And this is a way to, come and get things started very fast. So say you like this one, and you can go in and edit, like I said, for video purposes. And all that training is in the back office. I'm just going to show you how to get plugged in quick. So let's copy the share code on this. Let's come back. Gotta look at it. I like to look at it from the new menu. So we're gonna come to websites, miscellaneous, and right here, this is where you're gonna enter that share code and hit submit, and you can do this as many times. All right, it's here actually. So if you come back to powervip.club, share codes, it's gonna take me where I'm at now. Click more, and you also have more share pages with different examples, some with phone numbers and emails and name. Sales pages, which you can go back in and edit these sales pages and add your own videos, own links, and customize them. All right, so now say we have all our share codes and different things set up. We're going to come to websites. So this is where the domain and everything comes in. You're going to click your domain. You want it to, unless you want to promote the free lead system within Power Leads, you're going to put become a prospect for whatever I want. And then you're going to come down here, and this is where all your custom shared choices are going to be. It's going to show you, to tell you this is just a test link, so do not share this actual link or put it within your funnel. This is just so you can see it. So you're going to say, hey, yes, I want that capture page. You're going to click it, and if you scroll down, this is the built-in ones for Power Lead system. You see you can customize, do I want just name and email, or just email, or do I want name, email, and phone? Then this is any company, so you can go in here and use any of these. And where you put your primary businesses, like we've seen in the beginning, this is why, so you can automatically link it or edit it here. And you can link this to all these pre-planned ones, and it's for different parts of the system, you know, lead lightning capture page, viral report capture pages, or you can bypass the capture page and go straight to the sales page. So I already have mine clicked. So this is a little walkthrough, but just to show you everything packed in this back office. So you're gonna go next. Now it's gonna ask you, okay, so when we click this thing, where do you want it to go? Did you have a sales page you customized? I didn't. I don't have a customizer. Say this is a sales page. Do you want them to go here after they fill their name and email out? Or do you want them to go right to your offer, which is where I want them? Or this is where you'll have, this is how you create your funnel. So you'll have a sales page. You have the capture page. You have a sales page here. So you'll connect that. You'll come make sure I got the right thing. Just make sure I click that again. And then from there you can connect either your AWeber get response campaign or a campaign already within the system. You know, if you're doing it for a holiday, if you're doing it, you know, just for a specific part of the system, the opportunity, or promoting your own business. You want to collect submit, and right there, your whole funnel is set up just like that. And you can see the biggest thing to take away from what I just showed you is one, everything is integrated. Autoresponder, capture page, which you can customize your own sales page, which you can customize your own. Simplicity in creativity as well as cleanness. Everything's clean, it's not generic, it's crispy. And this is just one part of the system. You have campaigns, you can send out campaigns, you can customize it. You have all types of greeting cards, e-cards. Like, the thing is crazy. All types of customizable things. This is your website where your web pages are, where you can copy web pages, duplicate sales funnels, stats, view all your domains, renew domains, buy domains, double opt-in, share codes to get things quick and going. Email swipes, hangouts, blogs, contact manager. It's just crazy. Analytics. These are the other trainings, you know. So with the It's like I said, it's different parts. You know, it's different levels. It's a free version of the system, which is gonna pretty much let you use the basic capture page thing to pretty much bring in your contacts to whatever business or to the lead capture page. You know, have them either upgrade, etc. You got the lead lightning, which is, you know, another upgraded version. Then you guys have the full version of the Power Lead system and everything, which is a monthly $30 plus, if you, $30 a month. Or if you want to be an affiliate, it's actually 20, so it comes up to around $53 a month if you want to resell this thing. If not, just $30 a month. And then we have one-time upgraded products, you know, so you can create another passive income. So you can have a chance not to just have to stack up all these little commissions. You can have, you know, $100 commission, a $200 commission, a $1,000 commission for one-time products within the system, which is just extra training and extra knowledge. It'll take me all day to really go through every source. I'm going to chop this video up in a little bit because, you know, I knew I had to look for different things. But I wish I would have knew about this a long time ago. I've been paying high ticket price for different systems that just didn't have the whole meat and potatoes. I had to go outsource. I got to outsource this. I'm getting deactivated on my autoresponders because they have all these requirements. And for a newbie, not having something like the Power Lead system could be very challenging, very annoying, and make you quit. Because before you can even offer the actual service like a newbie's on fire or something, you're still trying to figure out, one, the system, the capture page part of it, and then you're trying to figure out the promotion, the traffic, when you can just come in, get plugged in. There's actual videos in here to get you plugged in. I'll get you plugged in. I'll answer questions. We have a Facebook community, and I just wish I would have known about this a little long ago. But I want to thank you for watching on this Power Lead system. I noticed it wasn't super professional. Like, I'm not a genius on the Power Lead system, but you can see the value of just the capture page, built-in autoresponder, cleanness, creativeness alone. You have tracking. It's going to let you know in your email every time someone fills out their thing, becomes a member, everything. And it's just a great system to have. There's tons of systems out there, but I just feel like this is very simple and has a lot of real training. There's a lot of training. I couldn't even show you how to train. There's a lot of training in here, scripts, everything, not just basic things. A lot of great, useful things for a newbie. I really think this should be a first stop system for anyone really trying to get the basics. But I'm going to end this video. Make sure you subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and check out the Power Lead system. Contact me if you have any questions. And welcome to the team if you decide to get started.
Cool, right? The bad news is that this offer, it's not going to last long. I strongly urge you to act right now and get your marketing to the next level.